Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create ID card in Canva. So if you have the needs to create a ID card or name tag on probably your business or your office or just like that, you can use Canva to design it, and I'm going to show you how you can just use the template from Canva to make it easy. Just search the template here. Oops, ID card, and then as you can see, it will show up like this. You can just click on the ID card and then wait for the result. Okay, as you can see here, there are bunch of ID card template that you can use, and then you can just click on one that you think suits you the most. For example, I want to use just the simple one like this. Okay, this is the ID card for high school, but if you want to change it, just click on this and probably type in your company name, for example, okay, and then type in your name, for example, Michelangelo, and then you can just change this into a employee number, and then blah 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 blah, blah. And then the position, probably marketing specialist, for example, and then you can also add some details like phone number and also the emails or number, fax number, and just like that. You can also change the color of the background. For example, I want to change it into this, so just like that. And then if you're done, okay, so this is the contact information. You can also change it into uh the same color, change L, and then edit the contact information. When you're done, just click on share, and then you can also print your design, or you can also download it first. Okay, so that is how you can create ID card on Canva. I hope this will help you, and if you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment. And if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like and also subscribe for more videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.